In the last session, we have seen about the array basic operations. Now, in this session, we will be learning about how to append the arrays. It could be either joining two arrays or splitting the arrays or searching a data in the array or sorting technique. So first we will see about the joining of an array. So the command what we are going to use is np.concatenate. It is used for joining the arrays along the specified axis. So now here example has been taken wherein np.array. So the first one is a two-dimensional array 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 is given. The second array is taken as 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, if I want to join these two arrays, so the command or the syntax is np.concatenate, then array 1, comma array 2. This is a general syntax. If you want, whether I want to do the vertical stacking, you make your axis as 0. I want to add the arrays vertically. Suppose here if I give the vertical array as axis is equal to 0. So this two rows are added vertically to it. Or else if I want to go in for a horizontal stacking, np.concatenate array 1 comma array 2 and axis will be equal to 1. So it results in you have these two arrays. Now it will be concatenated horizontally if the axis is 1. So 1, 2, 3 is there. The numbers 7, 8, 9 will be added along with it. Then 4, 5, 6. Then the number 10, 11, 12 will be concatenated. So what is the command we have seen? np.concatenate. If axis is equal to 0 means vertical stackings. If axis is equal to 1 means horizontal stacking. Now you can use one more command also. Instead of np.concatenate, I have just specified the inputs as two arrays, the same data. Okay. Then np.hstack array 1 comma array 2. So whenever I am going to give the horizontal stack as hstack, the datas will be aligned horizontally. 1, 2, 3, the second array is 7 and 8. They will be joined together horizontally in the same first row. Similarly, 4, 5, 6 will be aligned with 9 and 10. So what is the new command we have seen? np.hstack to join the two rows horizontally. Now, so we have taken the same example. Suppose if I want to join the two arrays vertically, then I have to give the command as np.vstack. Now we have seen about the joining commands. Either I can use a concatenate command or hstack or vstack command to move forward. Now the next thing is array split. Okay, so generally we have seen a command np.arange. Already what does it specify? If I give np.arange of 10 means it will print the values from 0 to 9, totally 10 numbers. So if you are not specifying the start, stop or step, it will just print the values as such. Okay, so now we'll move and see an example on array split. Import numpy as np, then a is equal to np.arange of 10. So it will print the values a single dimensional array from 0 to 9 consisting of 10 elements. So when I give print a, it will print the values. Now I want to split the array into two halves equally. Since it contains 10 numbers, no problem. I just give the command np.split. The array is notified as a, so a comma 2. So it just gives the two split of arrays. One ranges from 0 to 4, another ranges from 5 to 9. Now in this again, now I am thinking, okay, the data in the array is 10 numbers. I want to split it into 3. np.split a comma 3. Okay, so now when if I want to split it, if it is going to equally split in 3 numbers, one number will be left behind because it is a 10 numbers it has. So it gives the error command. So that is a drawback in np.split. np.split command you can use only when you can divide the array into equal proportions. Now, what is the command we have seen? np dot split. Okay, now we are going to see in this split command itself two more commands. np dot split only we have seen what was the disadvantage. You cannot divide as per your wish, as per the requirement we cannot do. So this can be overcome by using a command called np dot array underscore split. So when you are giving np dot array underscore split a comma 2, since we are taking the same range, that is from 0 to 10, it divides the array into two equal halves. Now np.array underscore split a comma 3. Now it has 10 digits in an array. You have to divide equally into 3. So the first array, now it is split in terms of 4 digits. Now remaining 6 digits are there that are equally split up into two arrays. Now the next command is np.array underscore split a comma 4. Now you have 10 digits that has to be split across 4 arrays. Now what is the procedure it undergoes? It just divides the two arrays as 3 digits. So 6 digits are over. The remaining two arrays consist of equally value of 2 digits. Okay, so this is the advantage of using the command called array underscore split. Okay, now we have just seen the command np.split, but in this added version is that np.hsplit or np.vsplit. Okay, for the same data ranging from 0 to 9, I am giving a command called np.hsplit. So this also will provide the same answer, it divides the array equally into two halves. Now, B is equal to np dot v split a comma 2. It is a single dimensional array, so you cannot carry out the vertical split in this. So it results in the erroneous command. So what are the three commands we have seen? np dot split, np dot array underscore split, and the third version is np dot h split or np dot v split. Okay, now we'll just see, look at the command. C is equal to np dot a range of 6 reshape 2 comma 3. That means what is the value it takes? A range of 6 means it takes the number from 0 to 5, totally 6 digits. That has to be reshaped in terms of 2 rows and 3 columns. That is 0 to 6 is reshaped in terms of 2 rows and 3 columns. So it has been reshaped in terms of 2 rows and 3 columns. Again in this we are giving np of v split of c comma 2. Okay, now you have the two arrays, it just splits into two equal arrays. The next command is array. So in array search, what is the command we are going to use? It is nothing but where command. So this where command will return the index of the value. Let us take an example here. A is equal to np dot array. So some data have been given. So now the array is getting printed. Now we are giving the command np dot where a equal to 10. So it has to go and find the index. Where are my inputs where it is having the value as 10. I've already told you in the previous class that index always starts from 0. Okay, so the index always it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now where are the places in my array? It is having the same data 10, first to data and last to data. So this occupies the induction of, that is the index of 0, 1, 6 and 7 respectively, which where the values appear, it could be searched by just using a simple command of np dot where. So the next command is array sort. Okay, so the sorting where you usually do, so when you have let us take the class, so the students have their register numbers, their marks, but I want to sort it. Okay, either in the ascending order or in the descending order to calculate their more CGPA or whatever the marks they've obtained, then we go in to calculate this array dot sort either in your ascending order or descending order. Now B is given as a variable. First, it is printed in terms of BACD. The command is given, it is also printed in the same form. What is B? B is an input array. We have given a two-dimensional array. So, whenever I am giving the first command as print B, it just prints the value as it is. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 and 90. Now the next command what I am giving, np dot sort b. So I am just sorting this value. What it does, it just sorts the rows. 50, 40, 30 is there, it is sorted as 30, 40, 50 in the ascending order. Similarly, the second row 20, 10, 90 has been sorted in the ascending order as 10, 20 and 90 over. Now the third command and fourth command is also same as np.sort, but the axis is 0 or 1. When the axis is going to be 0, you are going to sort it column wise. When the axis is going to be 1, you are going to sort it row wise. Okay, so now the second command is you have to sort by column wise. Now you take this is the input. Now you sort it by column wise, it will be 20 and 50. Okay, you are sorting column wise. So you see the answer here 20 comma 50. Then 40 is in the first row, 10 is in the second row. So you interchange, sort it as per the column. So it will be 10 comma 40. Then 30 comma 90 it is in the order. Same 30 comma 90 is getting retained here. Now, the fourth command is axis is equal to 1. You are going to sort along the row wise or column wise. So, row wise, if I want to sort 50, 40, 30 will be changed as 30, 40 and 50. Okay. Similarly, 20, 10, 90 will be rechanged as 10, 20 and 90. So these are the four commands we have seen about the array join, split, search and sort. So we'll see some of the other commands in the next class. Thank you.